Hi, Nick. I'm starting to lose my voice a little bit, and I think it's because I'm posting all these videos. But how are you? Um, I love your hugs in the morning. They like make my morning. You have the best hugs ever. But yeah, you have the funniest belly button. Oh my god. It's so funny. Not making fun of it, but like it's cute. It's just cute. But yeah. What's cooking? Good looking. Um yeah, that's kind of it. I'm like itchy. My legs are super itchy. And I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know why they're so itchy. That is a really good question. But I have no bug bites or anything. Um I'm commenting on my videos while I'm making your video. That's really mean of me. I'm sorry. That's selfish. Okay. I'm a selfish shellfish. Just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye, Nick. I look forward to getting my morning hug on Monday. Bye. No. Okay, no stop button? Okay. Okay, for real this time. Bye.